Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from group 3. Here I want to introduce my group members. The first from the left is Nur Hana binti Muhammad Hanif. The next is my Orin, Farhatun binti Hairul, and followed by Nur Hazrin Danisha binti Muhammad Farami, and finally is Muhammad Is Danish Afiq bin Izam Salihin.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I would like to explain about question number 1. For 1A, the term of annuity is an insurance product that guarantees a payment of a predetermined amount for a fixed term. Examples of annuity are regular deposit to a saving accounts and monthly insurance payments. The term of ordinary annuity certain is where payments are made at the end of the payment period. The interest and payment periods are the same interval. Consistent quarterly stock dividends are one of example for ordinary annuity. Next, for 1B is the future value of an annuity is the value of a group for recurring payments at a certain date in the future, assuming a particular rate of return or discount rate. The higher the discount rate, the greater the annuity's future value. The formula for the future value of an ordinary annuity is S equal to R, 1 and I, n minus 1 and divide to I. The last one for 1C is the present value of an annuity is the current value of future payments from an annuity given a specific rate of return or discount rate. The higher the discount rate, the lower the present value of the annuity. The formula for the present value of an ordinary annuity is A equal to R, 1 minus 1 at I minus 2n and divide to I. So that's all from me.
Next, we proceed to question 2. Ali is buying a new coffee machine for Rm45,000 to finance his purchase. He trade in his old coffee machine for Rm20,000 and take a loan of Rm25,000 from a bank at 6% compounded monthly discount. So, we are going to use this formula. The present value equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 bracket plus I in bracket to the power of minus n divided by I. So, let's take a look to the question A. If Ali intends to settle his debt in 5 years, how much must he repay the bank monthly? So, we got all information except the monthly payment. This is what we are going to looking for. So, just look at the question and we could find N and I. The question say that it took him 5 years to settle his debt. So 5 multiplied by 12 equal to 60. I equal to 0.06 divided by 12. So just put the formula on the left and convert whatever information given to the left to the formula. Do some calculation and transfer like this. And after we get the summations, just transfer to the left and divide it. So we got Rm 485 ringgit and 32 cents. Next, on question B, immediately after making 12 repayment, Ali want to sell his coffee machine. If the bank require him to settle his outstanding debt in one payment, how much must he pay to the bank? So we are going to use the same formula as the question A, but just minus the 12 repayment that he had do. A60 minus 12 equal to A48. Just use this, convert AN to A48 equal to R. So R kita dah dapat daripada formula lepas. Jadi kita tukarkan kepada RM483.32. And just use the same formula of I here and here too, but convert the N to 48 like indicate above. The answer for A48 is RM20,579 and 92 cents that he must pay to the bank.
Okay, let's proceed to question number 3. A. Briefly explain the trade discount terms and its formula. A trade discount is a reduction in the retail price of something that is agreed upon by traders or a wholesaler for a retailer. In the trade discount, have two formulas that we can use. The first formula used by retailer. The formula is a trade discount equal list price minus to net price. The second formula used by the manufacturer. The formula is the amount of trade discount equal list price multiplied by trade discount. B. Describe the terms of chain discount of 30%, 15%, 2% and its formula. Each discount rate is calculated on the net amount. The formula for chain discount is NP equal to LP in bracket 1 minus 2 D1 in bracket 1 minus 2 D2 in bracket 1 minus 2 D3. C. Explain the cash discount term of net 45. The cash discount term of net 45 means that the full amount is due in 45 days. If you exceed the limit of day, you will be compound or there will be a consequence. D. What is the difference between a trade discount and a cash discount? Trade discount is the discount we receive for buying the goods. This is the cost of good excluding any other costs. While cash discount is the discount granted by the manufacturer or wholesaler to the retailer to pay their bills or invoice within the given period.
My part is an invoice dated 21 February 2022 for 2,500 ringgit Malaysia, including 200 ringgit handling charges, was a trade discount of 50% and 7% in cash discount term of 5/10, 2/20 and N/60. Fine. And the question A is explain the cash discount terms of 5/10, 2/20 and N/60. So the answer is 5/10, which is 5 discount within 20 days, and 2/20, which is 2 discount within 20 days, and N/60 full amount price with no discount. Question B, the net price is the trade discount of 50% and 7%. The way to calculate the net price 2,500 in parentheses 1 0.5, so we can also impute 2,500 in parentheses 0.185. So question C, and the net price is 2,125.